biggest challenge facing smart transport in the future is that it completely upends how people get around and how we plan for transport. And that's a bit of a glib answer, but it's because we're replacing one mode that is a jack of all trades and isn't great at most of them, to be honest, the car, with a whole range of the right mode for the right journey. What's that modal mix look like? How do we regulate that? How do we ensure ease of transfer between those different bits? How can we allocate road space appropriately between them? And how can we make sure that there's not, that there's an equitable way of distributing that? It opens up a whole new range of challenges and exciting opportunities that just aren't there when we look at car ownership based lifestyles. And that, I think, is both a massive challenge but also a really exciting challenge at the same time.